In this video I want to show you what's inside the box of the new Pixhawk 4. This is the latest version of the Pixhawk series and it's made by Holybro. I bought my model from rcmasters.net for around 159 euros, which was the cheapest price I could find. Plus I ordered a lot of stuff from this website in the past, so I'm pretty happy with it, so I decided to go to buy it there, sorry. Yeah, it comes in a nice little box. Nothing too special, but I think it looks pretty good. Right inside you got, right what you expect. The Pixhawk itself, the GPS module, and as you can see it's pretty well made. It looks very high quality, and my tests in the future will show if it's true, if the new Pixhawk is much faster than the old models. I own a Pixhawk 2.4.6, but unfortunately I got the Chinese rip-off version of it, so I got a lot of problems with the sensors, and recently I got a crash because of it, so I decided to go to for a retail one like this one is. So no Chinese rip-offs anymore. You need to pay a little bit more, but I hope it will pay off. Yeah, and as you can see, you got a power management board, which comes with the Pixhawk. And there you plug in your battery and all your ESCs. So the signals, ground and 5 volts, depending if you got a BEC or not, a BEC, sorry. You plug it directly in here, and it's also a power distribution board. As you can see, you can solder all your ESCs on there and it will distribute the power to all of them. Plus it supports up to 12S batteries, which is pretty cool, and yeah, there's room to upgrade in the future. Yeah, it's a standard XT60 plug. There we got your GPS kind of tower thing where you can mount it, so it's right above any electromagnetical interference. And of course a lot of cables. I mean, not of course, it's not standard that you get so many cables, if you ask me. So everything you need is inside. There's the power cable, I2C cables, a I2C splitter if you got multiple sensors or extra stuff. Of course the foam to mount it on with the sticky stuff on it. As I mentioned, the cables. Yeah, there's a servo cable as well. So pretty much all you need in terms of cables, I guess. Then the USB cable, it's a micro USB. With this you connect the Pixhawk to your PC, and there you need a software to run or to control the board. I use Q ground control, and that's what this Pixhawk is made for, because it comes stock with the PX4 firmware, which is the 1.7 version, and therefore you need the software or the app called Q ground control. So no autocopter, no mission planner for this one, at least for the next couple months. I don't know, maybe it will change. Because it's open source, like, it's just a matter of time, I guess. but we will see. I'm not so much into this whole open source topic. I just use them, and I'm pretty good with the Q current control and the PX4 flight stack. So you can see it's a lot smaller, like not a lot. It's a little bit smaller than the old Pixhawk. But the FMU itself lost quite a bit of weight, but that's mainly because they separate a few internal parts, like the PWM signal ports, and some other stuff, and split it up to your power management board. And yeah, there goes pretty much all the weight and some extra. So I weighted both the old Pixhawk, the 2.4.6, which is 86 grams, including the GPS module and the tower, and the Pixhawk 4 with the power management board, the new GPS, and the tower is 126 grams. So yeah, like 40 grams more, but I mean, you get a lot of performance, and you get redundant systems like the power ports. You have 2 power ports now. So yeah, a lot of safety and performance features for 40 grams more of weight. I think it's pretty okay. And if you're interested in more videos about the Pixhawk 4, then subscribe to my channel. I will post a video soon where I test the Pixhawk 4 in my Tarot 650 quadcopter. But right now it's under construction. I bought some longer arms to fit my 17-inch props together with the Tarot 650 Pro canopy, and that's why it will take a while until I reassembled all the parts. So stay tuned, and bye bye.